AI is no longer the future. It's happening right now. And for those who are ready to embrace it, the opportunities are limitless. Did you know that the AI industry is projected to hit a staggering $1.5 trillion by 2030? That's right, and today, I'm breaking down the top 5 AI business ideas you can start today to ride this wave and secure your place in this growing industry. Whether you're a tech genius or a total beginner, these ideas are actionable, scalable, and designed to succeed in today's economy. Let's get started. The power of AI in business. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants like Google, Tesla, or NVIDIA. Today, small businesses and entrepreneurs like you can access affordable AI tools to automate tasks, create innovative solutions, and offer unmatched customer experiences. AI has leveled the playing field, but where should you begin? What are the most profitable AI business opportunities out there? AI-powered chatbot businesses. Chatbots have become a vital part of how businesses engage with their customers. They provide instant support, personalized recommendations, and seamless interactions, all while significantly reducing operational costs. This market is growing rapidly, with experts predicting that 95% of customer interactions will be powered by chatbots by 2025. Hmit Technology Review. Businesses across industries, from e-commerce to healthcare, are adopting chatbots to handle repetitive tasks like answering FAQs, resolving customer complaints, or even managing sales pipelines. These AI-powered bots work 24/7, ensuring customers are always assisted without the need for human staff. Creating an AI chatbot business doesn't require you to be an expert coder. Platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT API allow you to develop sophisticated, human-like chatbots tailored to specific industries. No-code tools like TARS or LandBot let you create bots without writing a single line of code. You could develop chatbots for small e-commerce stores that guide customers through their shopping experience, recommend products based on browsing history, and even help with payment processes. You can offer these solutions as a subscription-based service, charging clients a monthly fee for maintaining and upgrading their bots. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, highlights the importance of AI-driven communication.
OpenAI was founded on the belief that artificial intelligence has the potential to improve nearly every aspect of our lives.
AI has the ability to make customer interactions seamless and human-like, which is why we're seeing a surge in its adoption across industries. By starting a chatbot business, you're tapping into an ever-expanding market where businesses are willing to pay for innovative solutions that improve customer satisfaction and efficiency. AI-driven content creation services. Content is king in today's digital economy, and businesses are always looking for ways to create high-quality, engaging material. But creating consistent, professional content can be time-consuming and expensive. This is where AI-powered content creation tools come into play. Generative AI tools like Jasper AI, WriteSonic, and Canva AI are revolutionizing how content is created. These tools can write articles, design social media graphics, generate ad copy, and even create videos in a matter of minutes. According to a report by BBC News, generative AI is democratizing creativity, making advanced tools accessible to businesses of all sizes. As a content creation service provider, you can use these tools to scale your operations while keeping costs low. Offer services like blog writing for small businesses, social media content creation for influencers and startups, ad copy for digital marketing agencies. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, says,
"Well, we are a technology company that processes software."
Generative AI is democratizing creativity. It's giving small businesses access to tools once reserved for large companies. Automated data analysis startups. Data is often called the new gold, but raw data is only valuable if you know how to analyze it and extract actionable insights. Many businesses, particularly small to medium-sized ones, lack the expertise or resources to make sense of their data. Automated data analysis startups can bridge this gap. Industries like retail, healthcare, and finance generate massive amounts of data every day. By using AI-powered tools like Tableau AI, Power BI, or Google Cloud Automl, you can offer insights that help businesses optimize operations, forecast sales, or target the right audience. Position yourself as a data solutions provider. Offer a service where clients upload their data and you analyze it using AI to provide insights in easy-to-understand dashboards or reports. A small retail chain could benefit from insights about which products are selling best during certain seasons, while a healthcare provider might use AI to predict patient demand or identify treatment trends. You can charge clients a project-based fee or set up a subscription model where they pay monthly for ongoing data analysis and updates. Elon Musk emphasizes the power of AI in this domain.
I think AI is one of the biggest threats. I mean, we are, for the first time, we have a situation where
AI's ability to analyze massive data sets and extract meaningful insights is one of its most powerful applications. By targeting businesses that don't have in-house data analysts, you're addressing a pain point while creating a profitable business model. AI-based personal assistants. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa have made AI assistants a household staple. But what if you could create personal assistants tailored to specific industries or individual needs? Imagine an AI assistant designed specifically for doctors, helping them schedule patient appointments, track medical records, and send reminders. Or a freelancer-focused assistant that manages invoices, deadlines, and client communications. Tools like Replica AI, IBM Watson Assistant, or RESA make it possible to build custom AI assistants without starting from scratch. These platforms provide frameworks for creating assistants that can process natural language, learn from user interactions, and perform specific tasks. You can charge users a subscription fee or license your AI assistant to companies. A law firm might pay a monthly fee for an AI assistant that helps with legal research and client follow-ups. Unlike general-purpose assistants like Alexa, you can build highly specialized assistants that cater to a particular profession or task. This specialization allows you to target niche audiences and charge premium prices for tailored solutions. AI in healthcare solutions. The healthcare industry is undergoing an AI revolution. From diagnosing diseases to improving patient care, AI is tackling some of the most critical challenges in medicine. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images, such as X-rays or MRIs, to detect conditions like cancer or fractures with incredible accuracy. According to The Guardian, AI diagnoses diseases faster than doctors in 87% of cases. Another avenue is telemedicine. By integrating AI into telehealth platforms, you can create tools that triage patients, recommend treatments, or provide personalized health advice. Startups like DeepMind Health are already making strides in this field. There's still plenty of room for niche players who focus on specific conditions or underserved communities. Partner with healthcare providers to identify gaps in their current systems. Use tools like Google Health AI or Microsoft Healthcare Bot to develop solutions that address those gaps. You could create an AI tool that helps rural clinics diagnose patients remotely, reducing the need for costly travel. Elon Musk highlights the transformative potential of AI in healthcare. AI has the potential to solve some of the most pressing issues in healthcare and improve quality of life. By entering the healthcare AI space, you'll not only build a profitable business, but also make a meaningful impact on people's lives. And there you have it, 5 AI business ideas you can start today. Whether it's creating chatbots, launching a content creation service, or diving into healthcare, there's an opportunity for everyone to succeed in the AI space. The time to act is now. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more AI and business tips. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, which AI business idea are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Top AI. See you in the next AI story.